In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and delete users in Google Workspace efficiently. Managing users in Google Workspace is a crucial task for administrators to ensure seamless operations within their organization. So let's dive into the process and walk you through each step to add or remove users on this platform. First, you'll want to start by navigating to Google Workspace. Once there, you'll need to gain access to the admin console. This can typically be found in the main interface of Google Workspace. This console is where you can manage all aspects of your organization's Google account, including users. Next, you'll need to log in using your business email. This step is crucial as it verifies your identity and ensures you have the necessary permissions to make changes to user accounts. Ensure you have your credentials handy to avoid any delays in the process. Now, locate the Google Apps menu, which is found in the top right corner of the page. From here, you want to select the admin icon. Clicking this will take you into the heart of your organization's administrative settings. Once you're in the admin settings, head over to the home section. This is where a lot of the day-to-day management tasks for your organization's Google Workspace account are centralized, including user management. To proceed with adding a new user, look for the option labeled Add a User. Clicking this will initiate the process of creating a new account within your organization's Google Workspace. Here, you'll be prompted to fill in the necessary details for the new user's account creation. This includes their name, email address, and other pertinent information that will enable them to have their personalized login. After you've completed all the necessary fields, you'll have a button to click that says Add New User. Selecting this button will officially create the user within Google Workspace, granting them access according to the roles and permissions you've set up. Now, if you need to delete a user, you can handle this in a similar area as adding users. On the user management screen, you'll find options to manage existing users, including the ability to remove them from your organization's Google Workspace. This is typically straightforward, but take care to ensure that removing a user doesn't disrupt any ongoing workflows or access rights unless it's an intentional part of the process. Once you have completed your user management tasks, you can head back to the admin console for any further administrative functions or simply log out if you're finished. This process, when followed correctly, allows you to efficiently manage who has access to your organization's Google Workspace, whether they need to be added or removed. This can help keep your organization's operations running smoothly and securely. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helped you navigate user management within Google Workspace seamlessly.